Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all teachers for the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI. Today, we are going to discuss about various innovative ideas and also we are going to discuss about the learning process of students with a very fun and interesting atmosphere. And now we are going to discuss about a poem called Anandi's Rainbow. The chapter number is 18. This poem, Anandi's Rainbow, is from NCERT syllabus, class 1, subject English. So, how we are going to learn this poem? We are going to learn this poem with the help of an innovative idea called theme-based attendance. What are the innovations behind this innovative idea, theme-based attendance? The innovation is to use attendance as a medium for learning. That is, during roll call, the student should answer the attendance according to the theme instead of saying present. So, this is the innovation of the innovative idea, theme-based attendance. What are the objectives of this innovative idea? The objective is to revise the words from the poem on this rainbow through visualization. So this is the objective of this innovative idea. How we are going to implement this idea? Before seeing the implementation process, let us see the pre-arrangements for implementing this innovative idea. The pre-arrangement is nothing but write down all the words from the poem on this rainbow on the blackboard. This is the pre-requirement for implementing the innovative idea. Now let us see the implementation process. Inform the students that today we are going to do attendance in a different way. That is, during roll call, you should not say present. Instead of saying present, you should say a word from the blackboard in a sequential order and the corresponding meaning of that particular word. So, for example, student number 1, if he says clear means clear and the meaning is clean or soft. Student number 2, if he or she says love means love and the meaning like or prem. So in this way, continue the process till all the students answer the attendance by saying a word from the blackboard in a sequential order and also the corresponding meaning of that particular word. So in this way the implementation process goes on. What are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, theme-based attendance? The students able to recognize letters and its sounds. The students able to associate pictures and words. The students able to identify characters and sequence of events in a poem or in a story. The students able to express verbally, that is able to ask questions about a sequence of events and characters in a story or in a poem. The students able to respond comprehension questions in a story or in a poem. The students able to draw or write words and write short sentences in response to a poem or in response to a story. The students able to develop their core life skills such as critical thinking, effective communication and decision making. The students able to collect records and interpret simple information. Even the poor learners and the children with disabilities can improve the learning process with the help of this innovative idea, theme-based attendance. Experiential learning takes a student from the abstract world to the real world. So, these are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, theme-based attendance. If you like this video, kindly like and share. Also, please subscribe to Aurobindo Society's YouTube channel ZIIEI. On another fine day, let us meet and discuss with another innovation. Until then, it's bye from Karthik. Thanks for watching.